Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks, and in today's subscription box Saturday, I have for you another Walmart beauty box. So I showed you the Zoom Ready beauty box last week, and that was a limited winter edition box, and this is the second one that I got from them, which is called Eye on Home or something like that. It's a home spa beauty box type thing. The cost for this one is $12.98. So without further ado, let's see what's in this box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Like I said on my last video, this box is really good and sturdy. Walmart's definitely up in their game on the packaging. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh, packaged really nice. Here you go. That's what it looks like when you open it. We have something that is wrapped in some foam, which is pretty awesome. So they give you a card and it tells you all the products that are in the in the box. Now, all of them are not full-size products, so I'm not going to do a tally at the end or anything because, they're giving you the full-size price in here, not the cost for a sample. So let's just go ahead and jump in. First thing is a NYX Professional Makeup Fill and Fluff. So it's an amazing fluffing brush. It's an eyebrow pomade pencil. Okay, so here you go. Here is that item, and I'm actually really excited to try this. Oh, I hate to really mess this up, but like what I need to do, and I've said this many times in videos, before I start filming, I need to take my pictures for Instagram. Okay, so hopefully I can package this back up without any problems. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. There you go. So it looks like it has two ends. Oh, so we have the brush end. Awesome, awesome. And then this end here. Oh, so it's just a clear thing to shape your eyebrows. Well, I can roll it up somewhere so you guys can see it. So it's just a clear thing so that you can shape your eyebrows. So yeah, I mean, I'll definitely give this a go. Obviously, I don't do anything with my eyebrows. I will never get them waxed. I know I should, but I will never bother doing that because it's something that I know that I won't ever keep up on. So I'm not going to ever get my eyebrows waxed. So what you see is what you get. I'm not messing with them. Okay, so the next thing, we did get this one and the other one. It's called Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen. So here is that product, and you know what? I forgot to tell you the cost of the other one, so we're going to do that here in a second. Sorry, I'm all over the place, but I jumped the gun. So the NYX Fill and Fluff Clear Brow Pomade. Is it pomade? I don't know. Pencil. It is a full-size product by NYX Cosmetics, and the cost of it is $11. So that's not bad, and we know that this is a sample. And the full-size version of this is $24.98 for 9.6 ounces. And this one here, did you see how I stumbled? I wanted to say something else, but, I got the ounces out. Anyway, the one they sent to me is 0.53 ounces or 15 grams. So that's the sample size. So now I have two samples of that to try. I haven't tried the other one yet. Well, I'll get to it eventually. And we got these in the other one. So we have the Tresemme Pro Pure shampoo and conditioner. It's a light moisture shampoo and conditioner. I'm just going to show you both of them at the same time. In the other video, I showed you one each, but you get the shampoo and you get the conditioner. And these ones are 3 fluid ounces. So the full-size versions of those guys are $5.98 each, and they are 16 ounces. So that's not bad. I mean, that's definitely a reasonable price. And this one is all, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, not bubble wrapped up, but it's all packaged up so it doesn't get broken. Okay, I can get it out, I hope. All right, so we have another Essie nail polish. So here's the front of it. Helps if I show you the front side. I was looking at one of the sides. I like this gold color. I like it a lot. It's called Mosaic on Down. That is the color of this, and I'm really digging it. So I'll definitely wear that. I only wear nail polish on my toes because I always usually have fake nails on. For quite a few videos, I didn't have fake nails on because there's only a certain brand that seems to be working well for me, and these are the Kiss ones in a medium length, and I like this almond cut where like comes to a point like this. So these are the ones that I like to buy. I find them at Family Dollar. They cost me $3. I'm going to probably just go back down there because I only bought a couple because I wasn't sure which ones I liked. I couldn't remember. These are the ones. Look at this perfect length for a crafter, and my hands don't look disgusting, and they actually stay on for a full week even with my crafting. Okay, moving on. So that was completely derailed. We have another one of the Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Strips. There's that. Now this comes in a pack of 5. I know. I don't remember the cost. $5.88, and I'm wrong. It's a 6 count. It's not a 5 count. It's a 5 count for $5.88 of these pore strips. So obviously they just sent me one, but you know, you can try out one and see if you like it. Okay, did I tell you the nail polish? Wow, this unboxing really sucks, guys. Sorry about this. So the Essie nail polish, this is a full-size product. So that is the, second full-size product that I got in this little box here. And it is $8.97 is the price for that. All right, we'll grab this e.l.f. mist. So this is a facial oil mist. It's also calming. It's a lavender oil. So this is 2.2 fluid ounces, and I'm fairly certain, because in the other box, this is the full size of this product. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the card here and see if that's right, but I'm pretty sure, because this came in the other one as well. Let's see. e.l.f. Facial Oil Mist. Yes, the full size is 2 ounces, and that's exactly what that one was, and it is $5. Reasonably priced. Awesome. So now I have another one of those. Okay, so this is a Bliss holographic foil eye mask. I love eye mask. I got this. Depuffs and brightens. All right, it's all hologrammy. Look at that. So I am totally down for a good eye mask. I am certain they come in more packs than just one. Ooh, no. Wow, guys. Okay, so this is full size in here. So this is the third full size thing that I've gotten in here, right? No, fourth. Because the eyebrow thing, the nail polish, the e.l.f. thing, and this. So the full size version is this, and you get one of them for $2.97. That's kind of pricey for eye mask, I think. So hopefully it is amazing. It says it's a foil-backed holographic under eye mask, refresh and awaken eyes with reducing puffiness and dark circles. So, all right. So that is the fourth full-size product in here. I can keep count, guys, I think. And this one is all foamied up, and I'll definitely reuse this foam, but let's see if I can just push it out the bottom and not have to cut it. Doesn't look like that's going to happen, guys, because I just wanted to cut it later and not have to deal with doing that on the camera. But I wanted to show you guys how nice they package it up. So it's coming out, guys. It's just taking me a second. Ooh, but I ripped off the top of it. Ooh, it smells good. It's a candle. All right, let's show you how it's supposed to look and not how I just ripped it apart. So it's a wood wick candle. It says it crackles as it burns. Ooh, I am intrigued. Hello, look at that. That's super cool, guys. I'm actually really excited about this. Okay, so this is 3 ounces of candle. All right, so, well, here's their packaging on the top here, just to show you guys. This is very well packaged. I mean, it's a smaller candle, but yeah, it's definitely well packaged. Oh, look at the wick. Okay, so check out this wick. I've never seen a candle like this, so that's why I'm like kind of intrigued. I've never used one. I can't wait to use it. It sounds super cool. I mean, who doesn't want to hear like a crackling of the fire? I think it sounds so cool. Like, you know, you feel like you're in front of a fireplace or something. It could be romantic if I had somebody to be romantic with. All right, let's move on here. So it's a Woodwick mini hourglass candle. So the full-size version of this candle, this one that they sent me is only 3 ounces, so this is not the full size, but the full size version of the candle is 22 ounces, but it's $19.68, which is expensive, but that's a pretty big candle, man. That's a big candle, because this one's only 3 ounces. So the full size is 22 ounces. That's a big candle. So I don't think that that's overly priced for a good size candle. And, you know, candles last a good while. I mean, who burns them day and night? Not me. I just burn it throughout the day for a couple of hours. So it will last you for like ever. I'm down, guys. I think that this box was amazing. I really liked it. So overall, the 4 full-size products we got were the Bliss I Got This eye patches for $2.97. The next one was the NYX Fill and Fluff Clear Brow pomade pencil. That is a full size for $11. And then the next one is the Essie nail polish, full size for $8.97. And then the e.l.f. facial oil mist, which is 2 fluid ounces for $5. Guys, I think Walmart kills it with these boxes. These bonus boxes are awesome. I like their $5 box as well. I'm still waiting for mine. So should that come this week, then I will throw that one in on this subscription box Saturday as well. I haven't got it yet, so if I get it, great. If I don't, I'll throw it on next week's, provided it comes by then. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Okay, guys, so here's my box. I was so afraid to throw that. Like, it feels kind of heavy. Let me try it one more time.